Welcome to Accelotrade Academy, your thrilling, fast-paced, chess-like trading resource for learning trading using Accelotrade app that lets you compress months and weeks into minutes and seconds so you can learn and hone your trading skill with a vast array of stocks in the trading universe without even burning cash from your pocket. This is Jerome Noel, your host and Accelobot. The ability to be able to create a parallel channel on a trending stock would actually help you to be able to determine the support and resistance. And not only that, it would also help you to pinpoint exactly what price level you are going to enter for the trade. The following scenario will show you how Facebook is fluctuating between the resistance and the support within the trending channel.
We'll start playing, so everybody just join.
Okay, we'll go directly join then.
Join fun Facebook game.
That's the one.
Okay. I'm in.
Okay. Yeah, it's here. Okay, I'm gonna start. All ready?
If you go back to, so I was looking back in the year, if you go back to January, the big gap.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a jump. It's not a gap in data, it's just a jump in. So what happened there?
January, so?
Yeah, January 30th, it went from $149 to $166 in one day. Overnight. Is that common, Joe?
I think this is fundamental. Probably
They beat their estimate, all this, the revenue.
Oh, wait, the first quarter came in or something?
Yeah.
Last quarter? I see.
The revenue
then
is high.
So whenever those reports
Once
come in,
you
it
have-
jumps. Yeah,
yeah.
there's another jump in July 18th, right?
So it's a
July
fundamental.
28th.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it'll be interesting to. Too bad the chart doesn't have some sort of question mark or logo that says there's some.
You can,
there, right?
if you go to, try to open two windows so that what you do, you set the other window as a chart.
Can you show me?
Okay, so for example, so right here,
You take it.
I got here the broker, and then I have here the order form, but I opened up another window just for the chart, so that way I can create a drawing.
Oh, okay. You want to another tab? Yeah, I have that too.
Yeah, so for example, you want to test like the support and resistance. First, you could create a parallel channel on this one.
Remember, the timeout's really fast, so the days are ticking by.
Yeah. Yes. So I just
Me too.
I made the chart full screen, right? But the problem with that is that
If you make it full screen, you won't be able to avail also the rest of the other. It's like, for example, if you have this channel, you are basically close already to the top end of the channel.
Mm-hmm.
So there is a big probability that it's going to be knocked off back to the lower channel.
yeah. So I'm trying to calculate. So you think those are resistance? Those three peaks there?
This one becomes a resistance.
Yeah, exactly. But you see what I see in the discussion stock was the resistance. Not just the candle, even the fluctuation of the candles.
Correct.
Yeah, right.
So even the higher highs
highs-
can become a resistance.
That's right. And that's exactly the point of discussion stock was.
Correct.
And I think
I'm going to adjust this one such that this one goes down a little bit. So you could see that actually is hitting back and forth on this.
yeah, but usually
Higher.
after what is it like after 3 or 4 it goes up or crashes, right? Is that,
Yeah,
but it's not doing it. It did here actually work. Like
yeah.
I
You
used
have
it.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Okay.
So now you have 3 tops.
yeah.
So there is a big probability that this one would drop down.
But then go back up again.
Correct. Because in the higher,
So that's how I lost my money last time, right? I was,
You were waiting for it to go back up?
yeah.
in a higher time frame, basically it's up in a longer
Yeah.
trend. But right now, you have actually triple resistance here on the very top, because here you already have a double top and this one failed. This was the time when they had a scandal. And now it is trying to go back up. And usually, if it's able to go back up against this, it would continue to go up. But it seems that this is going to fail still until probably it goes back to this lower channel before it continues to propel higher. Because most of these big-time investors, they're not going to buy high.
No.
They always try to find the
in-between, the sweet spot.
in between, and if they see a congregation also of the price on the floor,
Yeah.
that's where they're going to position.
But that's what you do if you're a professional trader. What you do, you wait and see, you look at the volume, see
Correct.
how the average Joe responds,
Correct.
and then decide when to sell.
When you see that it's congregating right now on that lower channel,
Yeah.
I'll put my money in.
Yeah.
And then, of course,
Or take
we
it
don't know what's going to happen still. But most of the time, the expectation is that once it hits in that floor, it's going to go to the ceiling.
Right.
There you go. Say you have a gap down. So when you have that gap down, it's giving you now a signal that, okay, hey, this one is going down.
Yeah, is that because some kind of news came out, right? Something
Yeah.
overnight made everybody spook.
Correct.
Yeah.
And sometimes the market maker also would like really to shake the tree. So that way all those, small time investors, they're going to get scared and then they'll release all their shares. Once all the shares are released, then the big buyers can actually get hold of those shares.
That's not fair.
Yeah, strategies. Can you choose one? Can you go choose random, for example? Go in. Choose strategies. And then build add random.
I shorted at the wrong time.
Yeah, the best short there should have been at the median.
Yeah,
No.
I tried, but it was going too fast. I couldn't make my
Yeah.
orders in time.
So how do you guarantee
Because
this?
right now,
It's just going to go back up, probably.
it might congregate a little bit on that 185.
Hmm?
Yeah, but it's not going to go down.
Although the gap down is telling you that
So what I'm trying to do here, so
it may push back
here,
to 190
so
before
sell
it's going to go
for the
down.
next move, right?
Yep, there we go. That's what I mean.
There you go. Yeah.
And now you think it's going to go down again?
Yeah,
Let's
so
see
how-
what's the volume. The volume is not that big,
They need to bot for that, right?
but it closed the gap.
Yeah, so you cannot.
So it may
See, the
try.
random strategy is asking me, is advising me to sell. It's again for the next turn, right? So I sold everything already. It's not responding. So see if I can. Okay. Try to close this one. Submit in my order. Submit. Yes, submit. Okay. I like the 0.01 hour because it can do.
It's faster.
So fast, though. I don't have time to think.
No, just this tells me we should do it in between, right? 0.02 or 0.025, right? As default. Because the other one was too long, this one's too fast, right? So
Man, I can't get out of this hole. Keep making the wrong decisions.
see in here, if you look at the two candles, I'm zooming in on the last three candles. Well, the last, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? There's no indication from the previous candle that it will have that gap between the
That's a
candles.
fundamental thing.
Yeah, it has to be fundamental. So it's got to be. See, one out now, right? So
You mean that gap, the
Yeah.
gap down, because it's
Is
trying.
it a correction or is it a fundamental?
It's a combination. You have fundamental, but it's also a technical. You know why? It's trying to chase the floor.
Oh,
If you have this channel,
yeah.
basically it's trying to hit the floor there
Mm.
of the channel.
Yeah, you see, if I look at the leaderboard, right? CJ seemed to have done very well in that transition. All of us didn't. So
He just made one. Or is that interest? Right?
I think
It's
it's
interest.
Yeah, he's not doing anything.
oh,
He didn't make any interest.
oh, that's not PL. That's interest.
Well, you get interest profit, right? After a month.
Yeah. So there's hold on. Facebook pays dividends, right? Is it?
No, it doesn't have dividend.
Okay. See that candle here now is really okay. So let's panic in the market, right? Look at the volume. Let me just get another indicator. I'm gonna add the ADX. So if we look at the average directional index,
The ADX is good for long time horizon, but
yeah,
for a short
it's
trend,
really,
for-
this tells me, if you look at the ADX, it just tells you that if you want to make money with Facebook, you better go on long term, right? It's been around 24 for a long time. See, look. So basically, yeah, look, if you look at the long term,
Long term,
it's like it keeps going up and up, right? See?
with huge dips of like a year. Right?
Yeah, but overall, you still, if you hold your money for like five years, you make lots of money, right? So the moving average here would never work.
Well, isn't that basically what a blue chip stock is? It's like it just sits on it and it slowly grows with the index.
I guess day traders are trying to make money on a daily basis, right? But this candles, yeah, I think it's entering now.
Yeah, last day.
Yeah. Jerome has not done anything, I guess.
How come CJ got interest from you?
Yeah, it's unlikely that he lost exactly the interest, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just to see now this. No.
Oh, 5 out of 6. Winner CJ.
very good.
Oh, thanks.
Good strategy. Just rake in the interest.
Ah,
Thanks. This is going to
Look at
go on
this.
my record.
Facebook could potentially become the first of the FANG stocks to break that wall and pay out a cash dividend.
okay.
It might start in 2019.
If they are going to, this is what's going to happen. This
Yeah.
is what I've always noticed for those company that starts to pay dividend.
Uh-huh.
The price would go down.
Yeah, exactly. And then it rebounds, of course.
And then once it hits a certain bottom or whatever, and I think where the investors are comfortable, that's the time it will start going higher.
But it's always like that when you first go into the market or you first give dividends. There's always, a waiting period, right? A gestational period because people don't know what to think, do, right?
Yeah,
It will
because
go down by 10%, but then if it's a solid stock, it will get back up again. So CJ, what did you do in game over? Yeah.
Well,
So what did you do?
I didn't end up doing anything. Okay, I think.
You didn't play, or did you play, or you didn't play?
I'd actually tried to place some orders, but they didn't.
I still have 8 days left on the other window.
What?
I still have 8
Yeah,
days
why you
left on the other window.
I don't know.
It got left behind.
So it's an issue with the software?
Possibly. I think might be the orders. Like they've had limits selected but didn't. Or maybe the limit selected by default and it's never
Close the other window.
Yeah,
Can you actually make trade?
You use a margin account, you didn't.
let's try. Okay.
So this is the one that's done? Yeah.
Hmm?
That
Yeah.
window's done.
Oh,
Ah, it's on a
Yeah.
peak mode.
Oh, people, yeah, it's replaying that.
It was replaying.
Phew.
but never.
I was like, what the
But it didn't seem to have switched it to market.
Oh.
Because it was
So I selected the limit order, it worked, and selected market, it might not have worked.
I was playing market the entire time.
It worked, you make place orders. So,
Did it? If you go to the
Mine did, yeah, I went to.
if you go to broker, what does it
Yeah.
tell you?
I went to my account to give me the information.
Thank you very much. May this lesson give you more confidence in creating your plan in trading and executing or trading your plan without fear. Keep following the system. Practice it 10,000 times, and like Bruce Lee with his move, your trading would outperform all mediocrity. Keep shooting at it 9,000 times with Accelotrade, and like Michael Jordan in basketball, your trading would improve with great success. Keep experimenting it 1,000 times, and like Edison, your trading would lead to a brighter future. This is Jerome Noel, your host and Accelobot. Visit Accelotrade.com today. This is where you can peek, practice and play trading without burning any cash until you gain that confidence. Enjoy and have fun.